This is Buckle Down pages 150 through 151, lesson 16. You will be receiving metric rulers and 12-inch ruler protractor papers like these. You need to cut these out and make it look like this. This is your metric ruler one. It has centimeters written on it. This is your customary unit ruler. It has inches written on it. And a protractor. You will be needing this protractor for lesson 17. You may keep all these. Okay, on page 150, number 1. Which measure is most likely the height of a ceiling? 10 miles is way too high. 10 yards is still too high. 10 feet is just right. 10 inches is way too low for the ceiling. So it is choice C. Number 2. Which measure is most likely the length of a digital camera? Notice it is in metric unit, so you will be needing a metric ruler like this. Notice choice A is 12 millimeters. Well, for every 1 centimeter, you have 10 millimeters. So from here to here is 10 millimeters. So 12 millimeters is about here to here. So that is way too short. 12 centimeters is just about right because it is from here to here. So it is choice B. Number 3. Which measure is equal to 1,000 centimeters? Well, we know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So if you have 1,000 centimeters, as you can see, here to here is 10 times. So 1,000 centimeters is equal to 10 meters. Choice A. Number 4. A lamp is 4 feet 8 inches tall. What is the height of the lamp in inches? Okay, 8 inches is already in inches, but we need to convert. We need to change 4 feet into inches. To do that, remember 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So if you have 4 feet, you'll be 4 times 12, which is 48. So 4 feet is equal to 48 inches, and you already have 8 inches. So combine 48 and 8, you get 56. So answer is 56 inches. Number 5. Use a centimeter ruler. What is the measure of the pencil to the nearest centimeter? Okay, so you need to use the centimeter ruler. Always start from 0. So it is about 5 centimeters. Number 6. What is the length to the nearest 1/16 of an inch of the eraser shown below? So you need to use customary unit, which is inches. Notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is in eighth, but they want it in 16th, so we need to count it by 2's then. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16th, since they want it in 16th. So it'll be 2 and 2, 4, 6. So there'll be 7, about 7. 2 and 7 16th. So it is choice B. Number 7. A painting is 4 feet long. A photo frame is 10 inches long. How many inches longer is the painting than the photo frame? Okay, so we need 4 feet convert to inches. For every 1 foot, we have 12 inches. So when you have 4 feet, you have 4 times 12, which is 48. They want to know how many inches longer is the painting than the photo frame. So it'll be 48 minus 10 inches, which is choice D, 38 inches. Number 8. Leanne placed a box that is 1 3/4 feet high on top of another box that is 1 1/4 feet high. How many feet high are the boxes when stacked? So we need to combine 1 3/4 plus 1 1/4. Well, 3/4 plus 1/4 is 4/4. Whole number 1 plus this one is 2. So when you have 2 and 4/4, since 4/4 is equal to 1 whole, so it will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. So answer is 3 feet. Thanks.